Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data usage app. First, understand that these apps help you monitor and manage your internet consumption, preventing unexpected overage charges. Begin by searching your device's app store for Data Usage Tracker or Internet Monitor. Once you find a reputable app with good reviews, tap Install and grant the necessary permissions. This initial setup takes less than 1 minute and is crucial for gaining control over your mobile data. Now that your app is installed, let's navigate its main dashboard. You'll typically see a clear breakdown of your data usage, often separated into cellular and Wi-Fi categories. Look for visual graphs or charts that display consumption over periods like 1 day, 7 days, or 30 days. Identify which applications are consuming the most data, often listed in descending order. Understanding these metrics is key to identifying potential data hogs and making informed decisions. A powerful feature of these apps is the ability to set custom data limits and alerts. Navigate to the Settings or Limits section within the app. Here, you can specify a monthly cellular data cap, for example, 5 gigabytes. Then, set up alerts to notify you when you've reached 50%, 75%, or 90% of your allowance. This proactive approach helps you stay within your plan and avoid costly extra charges. To further optimize your data usage, delve into advanced settings. Many apps allow you to restrict background data for specific applications, preventing them from consuming data when not actively in use. If you notice discrepancies, ensure the app has all necessary permissions and that your device's date and time settings are accurate. Regularly reviewing your usage patterns, perhaps once every 2 weeks, can save you significant money and keep you connected without worry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.